Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, Junior KG semester 2nd book. Yesterday, what we have completed? Fun with phonic sound O. Fun with phonic sound O. Page number 48. Hot. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. P-O-T, pot. C-O-T, cot. D-O-G, dog. L-O-G, log. F-O-G, fog. H-O-P, hop. T-O-P, top. M-O-P, mop. O-X, ox. B-O-X, box. F-O-X, fox. J-O-B, job. M-O-B, mob. Read the sentences aloud. A hot pot. A hot. A H-O-T hot. P-O-T pot. A dog in a box. A dog. D-O-G dog. I add in a B-O-X box. I can hop. I C-A-N can. H-O-P hop. A big ox. A B-I-G big. O-X ox. B-O-B. B-O-B Bob can. C-A-N can. S-O-B sob. Bob can sob. Sam S-A-M Sam. C-A-N can. J-O-G job. Sam can job. Trace these rhyming words. Job, mob, log, fog, hot, dot. J-O-B job. M-O-B mob. M-O-B mob. L-O-G log. F-O-G fog. H-O-T hot. D-O-T dot. Page number 49. Page number 49. We will learn one more phonic sound, that is U. Fun with phonic sounds. U. U, that is tub. T-U-B. T-U-B tub. T-U-B tub. C-U-B cub. C-U-B cub. R-U-B rub. R-U-B rub. J-U-J. J-U-G jug. J-U-G jug. M-U-G mug. M-U-G mug. B-U-G bug. B-U-G bug. U-N, that is B-U-N bun. F-U-N fun. G-U-N gun. B-U-N bun. B-U-N bun. F-U-N fun. F-U-N fun. G-U-N gun. G-U-N gun. U-T cut. C-U-T cut. C-U-T cut. N-U-T nut. H-U-T hut. C-U-T cut. C-U-T cut. N-U-T nut. N-U-T nut. H-U-T hut. H-U-T hut. Read these sentences aloud. A gun is in the tub. A gun is in the tub. Second one. The cub has a bun. Okay? See here. A G-U-N gun. I-S is in. I-N in. T-H the. T-U-B tub. The. T-H the. C-U-B cub. H-A-S has a. B-U-N bun. P-A-M palm. I-S is. I-N in. T-H the. H-U-T hut. Palm is in the hut. N-E-D need. N-E-D need. H-A-S has a jug. A J-U-G jug. A-N-D and a M-U-G mug. Need. N-E-D need has a jug and a mug. B-O-B Bob has a nut. B-O-B Bob. H-A-S has a N-U-T nut. K-I-M Kim. C-A-N can run. Kim can run. K-I-M Kim. C-A-N can R-U-N run. In this way you have to read the fun with phonic sounds U. Trace these rhyming words. Trace these rhyming words. Run, R-U-N, run, B-U-N, bun, T-U-B, tub, R-U-B, rub, H-U-T, hut, N-U-T, nut. So, write here now. Okay, see here. R, U, N, run. 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 Then write this is B, U, N, bun. What you should say? B, U, N, bun. B, U, N, burn. B, U, N, burn. B, U, N, burn. T, U, B, tub. 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 R, U, B, rub. 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 Now, H, U, T, hut. 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 Now this one is N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. What you should say and write? R-U-N, run. R-U-N, run. R-U-N, run. B-U-N, bun. B-U-N, bun. B-U-N, bun. In this way, go on saying and writing. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. R-U-B, rub. R-U-B, rub. R-U-B, rub. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. In this way, you should say, go on saying and writing. Go on saying and writing. So, today, we will see articles. We will see the articles. Articles, that is page number 50. Articles A, an. A, an. We use an for words starting with vowels and A for other words. We use an for words starting with vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Now example. An apple. An apple. An apple. An egg. An egg. An egg. An apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple. An apple. an egg, E-double-G, egg, A-N, P-O-T, pot, an ink pot, an O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, an orange, an umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L, an apple, because this A-E-I-O-U are the vowels. A-E-I-O-U are the vowels and remaining are the consonants. An apple, an egg, an ink pot, an orange, an umbrella. Now, a boy, A B-O-I boy, a cow, C-O-W cow, a pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L pencil, a parrot, a train, a B-O-I boy, a C-O-W cow, a P-E-N-C-I-L pencil, a parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T parrot, a train, and write A or N. So we have written here A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U. Write A or N. So if you write like this and keep you will come to know what to be written. And these are the vowels. A-E-I-O-U. Remaining all are consonants. So see here. What you will write here? A bus. U is there, see. A-E-I-O-U. U is there, no? Here you write an urn. An U-R-N, urn. A-B-U-S, bus. Then, see here. Remaining I said no, they are consonant. So write here A, rose. R-O-S-E. A, rose. Then, G. G is also consonant. So write here A, girl. A, girl. G-I-R-L, girl. A-E-I-O-U. See here. A-E-I-O-U. An elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. An elephant. Because E is vowels. Where vowels come, there you have to write an. A man. M-A-N. M-A-N, man. Why we have written here means M is consonant. Sir, see here. A-E-I-O-U. Can you find A-E-I-O-U? Yes. O is there. So write here an. A-N. An oval. O-W-N. An owl. Because this is O is a oval. Okay. Now see here. Here A-E-I-O-U. A is there, no? So here also you write. This is also oval, no? So write here an aeroplane. A bus, an urn, a rose, a girl, an elephant, a man, an owl, an aeroplane. Because these all O, U, E, A, these are vowels. And the remaining where we have written A, that is consonant. Consonants. Okay. Have you understood? Now take down the page number 51. Page number 51, articles A, an. Look at the picture. Write A or an. See here. A, E, I, O, U. I have already written here. A-E-I-O-U, because these are the vowels. Look at the picture. Write A or N. Okay. So write here A, bat. So an apple. See here. A is there, no? A-E-I-O-U. Where vowels come, there you have to write an. And where consonants come, there you have to write A. A, net. And an egg. See, E. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels are there? No. Vowels are there. Yes. Here B. B is a consonant. So write here. A, bin. A, pin. A, cat. C-A-T. See here. U is there. No? A, E, see here. A, E, I, O, U is there? No. So here you write an umbrella. Then I, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I is there or no? Yes. So write here, see, an ink pot. This is vowels. The I comes A, E, I, O, U. And see here, A, piglet. An ox. Again here O. A, E, I, O is there. So we have written an. Have you understood? Okay, children. See here. A bat, an apple, a net, an egg, a bin, a pin, a cat, an umbrella, an umbrella, an ink pot, a piglet, an ox, an ink pot, a piglet, an ox. Have you understood? Yes, we have completed the story, The Fox and the Grapes, page number 62, The Fox and the Grapes. Now we will learn one more new story, that is The Ant and the Doe. The Ant and the Doe. Okay? The Ant and the Doe. So, page number 63. Page number 63. So, we will read here The Ant and the Doe. On a hot summer's day, an ant was trying to drink water from a river and fell in. On a now hot summer is going on, no? So, an ant was very thirsty. He was very thirsty. So, he was trying to drink water from a river and fell in the river. He fell in the river. He was drinking water from a river and he fell in the river. What happened? The ant screamed for help, started shouting, screamed, "Oh, I fell in the water." A doe on a branch heard the cry and dropped a leaf near the ant. So, a doe, see here, this is the doe. You can see, no? This is the doe. Doe heard the cry when this ant fell in the water. It started screamed loudly. "Oh, means it was fallen in the water." That way, a doe heard the cry of the ant, and what he did, he dropped a leaf near the ant. See, this is the leaf, you can see. He dropped a leaf, patta, big patta it is. So, a few days later, after a long period, few days, many days, not few days later, the doe was building a nest. It was building a nest. A hunter was taking aim to hit the doe. See here, you can see this doe was building a nest. This hunter is what? Taking aim to shoot that one. It want to kill it. What happened? The ant bite the hunter's foot. उसने उसको काटा, पैरों पे काट दिया, चींटी ने काट दिया. Big ant bite the hunter's foot. He screamed in pain. "Oh, see here, you can see, no? See here, this ant, you can see here. See how it's bite. See here, to the leg. The bite ant the ant bites the hunter's foot. See here, you can see the picture, no? Yes. And he screamed, oh, see his barn, that arrow fell down. He was taking aim to hit the doe, no? That arrow fell down. The doe heard the scream and flew away. When he did know, when it was building its nest, what he did? He was heard the cry of this hunter, and it flew away. After hearing the cry of the hunter, the doe flew away, and its life was safe. One good turn deserves another. One day the doe helped the ant. Today the ant helped the doe from the hunter. Yes or no? He saved his life or not? Yes. So this is the story, the ant and the doe. You have to learn by heart both the story, that is the fox and the grapes, and the ant and the doe. Have you understood, no children? Yes. With this, we have completed the portion. All the portions have been completed. Have you understood? So you have to learn by heart both the stories and also what I have given you, what I have completed today. Sounds of these words you have to learn by heart. Phonic sound, these words you have to write. Tub, cub, rub for 5 times. These sentences for 1-2 times you can write. And these rhyming words you can write for 2 pages. And by heart both the stories. Okay children? Both the stories you learn by heart.